So in this video, I'm going to just basically show you how to use Desmos to find key characteristics of polynomial functions of higher degree than 2. So we're going to be dealing with third, fourth, and higher degree polynomials. And you're going to learn about all the different terminology from the con videos. But for right now, I need you to be in Desmos, and I need you to go ahead and type into the first line y equals x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 8. And as soon as you do that, or just pause the video and do that, and I will show you what you should see. So you should see a graph that looks like this, where it has a high point and a low point. And all I want you to be able to do for now is to be able to click on those points right there. So click on the high point there and click on the low point there. And once you do that, then you'll be able to see the coordinates of the high point there and the coordinates of the low point there. So that's all I really want you to be able to do. So this lesson is to teach you that when you're evaluating and analyzing a function, this function being at degree 3, where a is positive, so you know the end behavior model is going to go up from left to right. So we've talked about end behavior models. And the objective 14 is that you're able to find relative maximums and minimums of polynomial functions. And so that's all you really have to be able to do is type in the function and be able to click on the high points and the low points. So we're going to do another one, though. The next one is, go ahead and type in this function here, y equals, I'll zoom in on you on this function here. So it's negative 0.4 x cubed. Let me erase that little dot there. Negative 4x cubed, negative 0.4 x cubed plus 3x squared plus x minus 5. And you'll see a low point here, where it has the coordinates that you see there of negative 0.161, negative 5.082. And let me erase that little extra mark there. And then you're going to click on the high point right here until you see those coordinates. So if you can do those things, then you are able to use Desmos and to find the coordinates of the high points and the low points. And we'll do one more just to make sure you've got it, where that function here is negative 0.4 x to the fourth plus 3x squared plus x minus 1. The only reason I'm rewriting it is so that it appears a little bit bigger in your screens. I'm not sure if you can see what I have typed in here into your third line. But anyway, once you type that in, you should be able to click on the high point here, the low point here, and see these same coordinates. Okay, so just make sure that you can see those same coordinates, and then you can be done with this video. Watch, I think there's 2 con videos, and then there's 2 other practice sets that should take you, once you know what to do, it should take you, once you type in the functions into Desmos, maybe just a couple minutes to do each of those problem sets. So hopefully you can get that done by the end of class, and you'll be done with the classwork. And then there may or may not be any homework, but I think I might just go ahead and have this as your only assignment due on Tuesday. All right? So hopefully no questions, but if you do have any questions, feel free to email me as well.